Greetings, health enthusiast. Welcome to our channel, where we are committed to unveiling the truth behind the world's most pressing health concerns. Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of insulin resistance, an epidemic that silently plagues individuals of all ages, across diverse backgrounds. You might not realize it, but this common health issue affects much of the global population, with alarming rates on the rise. Insulin resistance is not just a mere inconvenience, it's a pressing health crisis impacting millions, silently sabotaging our vitality, and robbing us of our potential for a vibrant life. From skyrocketing rates of type 2 diabetes to an epidemic of obesity, insulin resistance lurks in the shadows, threatening to derail our health and well-being. But here's the exciting part. We're about to embark on a journey of discovery and empowerment. In this video, we'll do more than just scratch the surface. We'll dive deep into the very heart of insulin resistance, uncovering its secrets, and unlocking the path to a life of freedom and control. So, if you're ready to defy the odds, to rise above the statistics, and to become the architect of your destiny, hit that subscribe button and buckle up for a transformational experience. Together, armed with evidence-based knowledge and a burning desire to take charge of our health, we'll reveal 15 powerful secrets to reverse insulin resistance and embark on a journey towards a life of unparalleled vitality. Number 1. Understand the basics. The foundation of your journey to optimal health begins with a clear understanding of insulin resistance. By educating yourself about what it is, how it develops, and its impact on your health, you gain invaluable insights to combat the condition effectively. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and prompting the pancreas to produce more insulin. Factors such as a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet choices, and genetics contribute to its development. Beyond blood sugar imbalances, insulin resistance increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and even cognitive issues. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions and break free from the cycle of insulin resistance, paving the way for a transformative journey to overall wellness. Number 2. Opt for a low-carb diet. One of the most effective secrets to reverse insulin resistance is adopting a low-carb diet. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, particularly refined sugars and processed foods, you can stabilize blood sugar levels and combat insulin resistance. Instead, focus on whole foods like nutrient-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This shift in dietary choices will not only support your body's insulin sensitivity but also contribute to improved overall health and vitality. Embrace the power of a low-carb lifestyle and witness the remarkable changes it can bring to your well-being. Number 3. Regular exercise. Incorporating regular physical activity into your lifestyle is a game-changer when it comes to reversing insulin resistance. Engaging in a balanced exercise routine that includes both cardio and strength training exercises can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and aid in managing insulin levels effectively. Cardiovascular exercises, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, help to burn excess glucose in the bloodstream, reducing the burden on insulin-producing cells. On the other hand, strength training builds lean muscle mass, which enhances glucose uptake by cells and further improves insulin sensitivity. Number 4. Weight management. Aiming for and maintaining a healthy weight is a crucial aspect of combating insulin resistance. Even modest weight loss can have a profound impact on improving insulin sensitivity and reversing the condition. Excess weight, especially around the abdomen, contributes to insulin resistance by promoting inflammation and interfering with hormonal balance. Shedding those extra pounds not only reduces the strain on your body's insulin-producing cells but also leads to improved glucose regulation. Research has shown that even a 5–10% reduction in body weight can lead to significant improvements in insulin sensitivity, glucose tolerance, and overall metabolic health. This makes weight management a powerful tool in your arsenal against insulin resistance. Number 5. Intermittent fasting. Another powerful tool in your quest to reverse insulin resistance is intermittent fasting. This approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, and it has gained significant attention for its numerous health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity. During the fasting period, the body taps into stored energy reserves, promoting the utilization of glucose and fat for fuel. This helps to reduce blood sugar levels, alleviate insulin resistance, and support weight management. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. It also aids in achieving a healthy weight, as the fasting periods help regulate hunger hormones and decrease overall calorie intake. Number 6. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is a non-negotiable element in your journey to combat insulin resistance and achieve optimal metabolic health. During sleep, your body undergoes essential processes that regulate insulin levels and support overall well-being. Lack of adequate sleep disrupts the delicate balance of hormones that control hunger and satiety, leading to increased cravings for sugary and high-calorie foods. This can exacerbate insulin resistance and hinder your progress towards better health. Studies have shown that consistently getting enough high-quality sleep is linked to improved insulin sensitivity, glucose metabolism, and weight management. Prioritizing restorative sleep ensures that your body can efficiently regulate insulin, prevent excess glucose in the bloodstream, and foster better control over your appetite. By making sleep a priority, you can create a positive ripple effect on your overall metabolic health and enhance your efforts to reverse insulin resistance. Embrace the transformative power of quality sleep, and watch as it empowers you on your journey to lasting wellness. Number 7. Reduce stress levels. Stress, whether it's from work, personal life, or other factors, can take a toll on your body and negatively impact insulin sensitivity. Chronic stress triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, which can interfere with insulin regulation and contribute to insulin resistance. To combat this, it's essential to prioritize stress management in your daily life. Incorporating relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature can be incredibly beneficial in managing stress. These practices help activate the body's relaxation response, reducing cortisol levels and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. By making stress reduction a part of your routine, you create a more conducive environment for insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Hydration is a simple yet powerful aspect of maintaining overall health and promoting better insulin function. Water plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including nutrient transport, waste elimination, and maintaining cellular balance. When it comes to insulin function, staying hydrated helps ensure that insulin can efficiently carry glucose into cells, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Proper hydration is vital for optimal metabolic function and can aid in weight management as well. Sometimes, feelings of thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking or overeating. By regularly sipping on water throughout the day, you can avoid such confusion and better manage your appetite. To reap the benefits of hydration, make it a habit to drink plenty of water daily. Keep a water bottle handy and take regular sips, even if you don't feel particularly thirsty. Staying well hydrated not only supports insulin function but also contributes to increased energy levels, improved focus, and better digestion. Number 9. Consume healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are harmful. In fact, including sources of healthy fats in your diet can be incredibly beneficial in reversing insulin resistance. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, play a vital role in stabilizing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats provide a steady source of energy and can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to indulge in sugary or carb-heavy snacks. Moreover, they aid in absorbing essential fat-soluble vitamins and promote better hormonal balance. By incorporating these fats into your meals, you support your body's metabolic processes, helping it utilize insulin more efficiently. Number 10. Fiber-rich foods. Elevate your journey to combat insulin resistance by increasing your intake of fiber-rich foods. These include a wide array of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Fiber plays a significant role in slowing down glucose absorption in the bloodstream, which can help manage blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Dietary fiber is a non-digestible carbohydrate that passes through the digestive system mostly intact. As it does so, it binds to sugars and slows their absorption into the bloodstream. This gradual release of glucose helps prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, supporting more stable insulin responses. By focusing on a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, you not only increase your fiber intake but also load up on essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients promote overall health, boost immunity, and aid in weight management. Number 11. Avoid artificial sweeteners. While artificial sweeteners may seem like a tempting alternative to sugar, it's essential to be cautious with their usage. Some research suggests that these synthetic sugar substitutes might negatively impact insulin sensitivity. As they are often intensely sweet, artificial sweeteners can lead to increased cravings for sugary foods, potentially derailing your efforts to combat insulin resistance. Artificial sweeteners, despite being calorie-free, can still trigger insulin responses in the body. This paradoxical effect might disrupt your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels, potentially exacerbating insulin resistance. Additionally, artificial sweeteners have been associated with alterations in gut microbiota, which can further influence metabolic health. While minimizing artificial sweeteners, consider natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit extract, which have a more limited impact on insulin and blood sugar levels. Moderation is key when it comes to sweetness, whether from natural or artificial sources. Number 12. Control portion sizes. Portion control is a crucial aspect of managing insulin resistance and supporting steady blood sugar levels. Being mindful of how much you eat can prevent overeating and reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes, which can strain insulin regulation. In our modern world of supersized meals and abundant food options, it's easy to lose track of portion sizes. Oversized portions can lead to consuming excessive calories and carbohydrates, placing added stress on your body's insulin response. By controlling portion sizes, you can better manage your calorie intake, support weight management, and keep your blood sugar levels stable. Adopting mindful eating habits can help you become more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Slow down during meals, savor each bite, and listen to your body's signals of satisfaction. By practicing portion control and mindful eating, you can establish a healthy relationship with food and take charge of your insulin resistance journey. Number 13. Monitor blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is an essential component of managing insulin resistance effectively. Regularly checking your blood sugar allows you to gain valuable insights into how your body responds to different foods and lifestyle choices, empowering you to make informed adjustments. By keeping a close eye on your blood sugar levels, you can identify patterns and trends that might impact your insulin sensitivity. Working with your healthcare provider, you can create a personalized plan to address any fluctuations in blood sugar and tailor your diet and lifestyle accordingly. Establish a collaborative relationship with your healthcare provider to optimize your insulin resistance management. Together, you can interpret blood sugar readings, make data-driven decisions, and fine-tune your dietary and lifestyle choices for the best possible outcomes. Number 14. Limit alcohol intake. While enjoying a social drink now and then can be a part of a balanced lifestyle, excessive alcohol consumption can have a negative impact on insulin sensitivity. Alcohol can disrupt your body's glucose metabolism, leading to spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. When you consume alcohol, your liver prioritizes metabolizing it over other processes, including glucose regulation. As a result, your blood sugar levels may become unstable, affecting your body's insulin response. Additionally, alcohol can lead to increased calorie intake and contribute to weight gain, further straining your body's ability to manage insulin efficiently. If you choose to drink alcohol, it's crucial to do so in moderation and with awareness of its potential effects on your body. Be mindful of portion sizes and consider the impact alcohol may have on your blood sugar levels. By limiting alcohol intake, you can better support your efforts to combat insulin resistance and optimize your overall metabolic health. Let's explore the relationship between alcohol and insulin sensitivity and discover the art of mindful and moderate consumption. Number 15. Work with a healthcare professional. When it comes to tackling insulin resistance and taking control of your health, seeking guidance from a healthcare professional is a game changer. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian who specializes in insulin resistance can provide you with personalized guidance tailored to your unique needs. A healthcare professional can help you navigate the complexities of insulin resistance, offering evidence-based strategies and practical solutions to address your specific challenges. They can assess your current health status, analyze your dietary habits, and design a customized plan that aligns with your goals. Working together with a healthcare professional empowers you to stay accountable, track your progress, and make necessary adjustments to your diet and lifestyle. With their expertise and support, you can confidently overcome hurdles and celebrate milestones on your journey to reversing insulin resistance. In this eye-opening video, we've uncovered the 15 secrets to reverse insulin resistance and regain control of your life. By understanding the basics of insulin resistance and its impact on your health, you can make informed decisions to combat the condition effectively. If you find these secrets to reverse insulin resistance valuable, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-saving content. Let's build a community of health enthusiasts, supporting each other on our quest for wellness and vitality. Together, we can take charge of our health destinies and empower ourselves with knowledge and action. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and always remember to be a champion of your own health.